We were talking about slope and writing and graphing linear functions. We want to be able to find the slope of a line given a graph or 2 points in a line, and then write a line in point slope form from point slope form given 2 points on the line. So here we go. Write the equation of a line that passes through the given point. In this case, it's 3, 2 and negative 5, 2, and is perpendicular to the given line. So we got to remember what perpendicular means, and that means it's almost a swear word at this point. It means flip and change. Flip and change. Okay, almost like you stubbed your toe on the word perpendicular. So here we have this slope, and we need to find the one that's perpendicular. So perpendicular means flip. So that means we're going to put the 4 over the 3, and change the sign means go from negative to positive. So we get to take our given points here, and we get to substitute them into our equation. Y equals mx plus b. So y is 2, x is 3, and our slope is positive 4/3. So then we get to figure out what our b value is. So 4/3 times 3, the 3's cancel, and we're left with 2 equals 4 plus b. Subtract 4 from both sides, and we get negative 2 is equal to b. So we have our b and we have our slope, and we substitute those in. The y stays, the equal sign stays, and then we put in our slope, which is 4/3, and our b value, which is negative 2. And then our last example, we have the same idea where we need to flip and change. So for this one, we have 2, and what we can think of is anytime we have a constant like that, we can think of that it's over and understood 1, because we want to be able to flip and change it. So in order to flip it, it becomes 1 over 2, and then change, it goes from positive to negative. So that's our new slope, which is negative 1/2. We still have our equation, y equals mx plus b, and then we can substitute in the values that we know. So y is 2, x is negative 5, and our slope is negative 1/2. The equal sign still stays there, and we have plus b on the end that we're going to calculate that for. So when we go ahead and multiply this, negative times a negative is a positive, and 1/2 times 5, that ends up being 5 over 2. The 2 comes down, and the b comes down. Then we can subtract by 5/2. And another way that we can think of 2 is we can think of this as 4 over 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 4 divided by 2, when we subtract fractions, we just do the numerator. So 4 minus 5, that is equal to 1, and then we leave the denominator. So our y-intercept is 1/2. Excuse me, negative 1/2, because 5 is bigger than 4, so it becomes negative 1/2. And then we just write down our formula. Y stays, x stays, then we have a negative 1/2 for the y-intercept, and a negative 1/2 for the slope.